Yesterday we started doing some standard algorithm for division. Standard algorithm on the video. If you did not watch the video, then I would suggest you going back and watching the video from yesterday. It was a short one, but it was a very information-packed video that was important.
Was it the Tim and Moby one?
No, on our live yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so remember when we are dividing. I needed a new one. Oh my God. Thank you. All right, so remember we're doing some standard algorithm of division. So 216 divided by 7. Now, remember, what's our first step we need to do? Write down our what? Nope, we're not doing the box right now. We're doing standard algorithm. So, we need to write down all of our facts of 7. So, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. All of my facts. That'll just help me divide. All right, so step 2, I need to underline which digit? Underline which digit? What digit am I underlining? What number am I underlining? When I say digit, I mean number. The 2. Then I'm going to ask myself what question? Not 7 divided by 2 because I'm not breaking 7 up.
How much can 2 go into 7?
So how many groups of 7 can I make out of 2? Or what is 2 divided by 7? Can I break 2 up into a group of 7 evenly? No. So what do I do now? Underline the 1. Now I say, how many groups of 7 can I make with 21? Or 21 divided by 7 is what? So the closest number without going over. So we're going to go down my facts. We're going to go closest without going over. Well, 28 is over. So we can circle our 21. So what times 7 gives me 21?
3.
So I'm going to put that, am I putting that number below or above? Above. So 3, I'm going to put it above my 1. And then I'm going to multiply. 7 times 3 is what? 21. We already have it right here. So I'm going to put my 21. Now I'm going to do what? Subtract. I've divided up, multiplied. Now I need to subtract. 21 minus 21 is 0. Am I repeating? Or what do I need to do next? Bring down my 6. Now make sure that you are drawing that arrow so you know that you're bringing down that 6. See how I drew my arrow right here? So am I repeating or remaindering?
You're repeating.
Repeating.
So
Repeating first. We're repeating. Because we have to say, how many groups of 7 can I make out of 6? 0, so I have to put my 0. I'm going to say 7 times 0 is 0. So then I do 6 minus 0 is 6. So then this is my remainder. So 30 with the remainder of 6 is my answer.
Easy math.
Okay.
Very easy math.
Okay.
Definitely.
725 divided by 6. So which facts am I writing down?
6.
Writing my 6 facts down. So let's see right here. 6, 12, keep going. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36,
42,
42,
48,
48,
54.
54, and then 60. That's why it's important y'all know your multiplication facts.
I know mine.
Wonderful. All right, now, what's my first step? I need to divide, but what am I dividing into? Not 275, 725. How many groups of 6 can you make out of 7? So we say 7 divided by 6 is what? Well, a number closest to 7 without going over. Well, 12 is over, so we got to go back to my 6. So that's how many times? 1 time. So do I put that up top or do I put that down below? Up top. So 6 times 1 is 6. So now that's what I put down below. Okay? You with me so far?
Yes.
All right, so then I'm going to what? We've divided, we've multiplied, now we need to subtract. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Now I need to bring down my 2. Am I going to repeat or remainder?
Repeat.
Repeat. All right, so now we're going to say 12 divided by 6.
2.
So we have 2 times. So am I going to put my 2 down here or up here?
Up here.
Always up top, on top of the house. All right, so then we're going to say 6 times 2 is 12. So I'm going to write that below. Now I need to subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. Then I need to do what? Bring down that 5. Jody, you with me? No. So now am I repeating or remaindering? I'm not remaindering yet because I haven't zeroed or done all of the digits. Once I bring it down, I have to say, I have to divide it again. So I have to say 5 divided by 6 is, even though we know it's 0, that's still a place. So we have to say 0, because 5 divided by 6 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract gives me 5. If there's nothing else to bring down, then this number is my remainder. You see where y'all are kind of getting a little confused? Yeah, so it's 120 with the remainder of 5. Because if I bring this number down, then I have to divide it. Because even if it can't go into it, I still have, there's still supposed to be a 0 right here.
Do we have to put the remainder on? Yes.
Absolutely. Because the remainder is the group. If I told each one of you to get into groups of 3, it's whatever's left over that you're not able to have in that group of 3 would be your remainder. So you can't count it out. If I said I'm going to give everybody 4 pieces of candy and I have 100 pieces of candy, I'm still going to have extra.
We still give us.
No.
Dang it. I had that.
I'm sorry.
I had that.
All right, let's look at another one. Let's do... let's do 835 divided by 2.
You need to subtract. What? You need to subtract.
No, you can't.
35.
We're dividing. We're dividing, not subtracting. If you do 835 minus 2, that's not going to give you your answer.
That's going to be 833. If you were
Right. So, write my steps, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder. Then I'm going to write my, all your what? All your 2's facts. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20.
Slow down and you can catch up.
You said slow down? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me know. It's easier if I know.
I'm just going to itchy just in case.
Hey, put your desk down.
I'm goodness paper, thank you.
Okay. So now we're going to go in and do our first step, which is divide. So what am I dividing? What am I dividing? Not 2. I'm dividing what? 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. So I'm going to go closest to 8 without going over. That gets me right here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I putting that up top or below? Up top. So I put my 4. I have divided. Check. Now I need to what?
You need to multiply.
Multiply. What am I multiplying?
2 times 4.
2 times 4, which is it's right here, 8. So I'm going to write her down, and I'm going to give myself a check for my multiplication.
Now you need to subtract.
Now I go to my next step, which is my S. Then I subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now what do I've subtracted, so check that off. Now I need to what? Bring down. Which digit am I bringing down? My 3. I'm going to bring my 3 down. And then I personally like to bring my 2 down as well, just so I can keep it in my mind that I know that's what I'm dividing it by. Okay, that's just an own personal opinion thing. So, now I ask myself what? Am I repeating or remaindering? Repeating. Now I'm going back to divide. So what am I dividing?
3 divided by 2.
3 divided by 2. Well, let's see. Closest to 3 without going over. Well, 4, 2 times is too much. 2 times is too much because that would give me 4. Destiny, you awake back there? Barely. So it is 1 time because I cannot go over 4. I can't give you 4 pieces of candy if I only have 3 pieces of candy. So I only can do it 1 time, not evenly. So now I do what? I've divided. Check it off. What do I need to do now? Multiply. 2 times 1 is? 2 times 1 is 2. Now I need to subtract. 3 minus 2 is? 1. Now I need to do what? Bring down. There's another digit I need to bring down. See how I'm drawing my arrows? So I know that that's showing me that you are bringing it down, that you're doing the right stuff. Those are just... So now, is this a repeat or remainder?
Remainder.
How is it a remainder?
It's for repeat.
I just brought that digit down. Now it is 15 divided by 2. Can I make groups of 2 with 15?
No.
I can't make groups of 2 with 15. Everybody,
Yes, you can.
yes.
Very easy.
Yes, I can make groups of... Jody, are you paying attention to what I'm doing? No, you're not. Don't even lie. So, I can make groups of 2. Well, how many can I make? Closest to it without going over. 1, 2, 3, 4,
14.
14. So how many times? Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. I've divided again. Now I need to multiply 2 times 7, which is 2 times 7, which is 14. Then I need to subtract 15 minus 14 gives me 1. Is there anything else to bring down? No. Is this number smaller than this number? Yes. Then this is my remainder.
So
417 with the remainder of 1. All right, I'm going to let you try one on your own. $535 divided by 3. I want to see all your stuff. Try this on your own, please. on getting it on this first one. First. Yeah?
What do I have to bring up?
We'll go over it in just a minute. I think a lot of people are all having the same difficulties. All right. And long division is just all about repetition, doing it over and over again. Right. Put your mask on.
I prefer placing it on you.
Alright. So let's look at this problem. So, put my steps, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Now, which facts am I doing? Jody,
You're divided.
you need to pay attention. Dividing by 3, so I need to do my 3's facts. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Well, we don't need to go past 10. We don't even really need to go past 9, but it's just easier just to leave it at that.
I want the 33.
Okay, well, it can't go into a number 11 times. Because you can't put 11 or whatever on top of your place, on top of your division thingy. Alright, here we go. So, I'm going to go to my first digit and I'm going to underline it. And I'm going to say 5 divided by 3 equals what?
You can't.
I can't divide 5 into a group of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group of 3, so I have to write that up top. A lot of you are not writing what you divide up top. So it's throwing you off. Because how do you know what to multiply if you don't have what you divided? You don't. So now I'm going to say 3 times 1. Put your mask on and turn around, please. 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1. 3. Now that's what I put below. When I divide, I put it up top. When I subtract, or when I multiply, I put it below. So now I'm going to subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I'm going to bring down this 3. So now am I repeating or remaindering? Always repeating until you don't have anything else to bring down. Always repeating until you have nothing else to bring down. So I say 23 divided by 3, closest to 23 without going over, is which number?
18.
Not 18. 21. So let's see how many times 3 can go into 23. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. When I divide, I put it up top. When I divide, I put it up top. When I multiply, I do what? Put it down below. So now I'm going to multiply 3 times 7. Well, we already have it right here. 3 times 7 is what? Jody, if I have to say your name one more time, we're going to the phone. 21. So now I'm going to do what? Subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then I need to do what? Bring down my 5. So, am I repeating or remaindering? This is a repeat. So, bring my 3 just to help me. I'm going to say 25 divided by 3, closest to 25 without going over.
24.
24. So, let's see how many times that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. That was divide. Now I need to multiply. 3 times 8 is what?
24.
24. So that's what I put below. When I divide, I put it up top. When I multiply, I put it below. Then I'm going to do what? Subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Is there any number to bring down? No. Is this number smaller than this number? Yes. So this number is my what? Remainder 1. 178 with a remainder of 1.
Let's not do that again.
Let's do it again. Well, I'm sorry. Last time I checked. It is currently 10:04. We have about 36 minutes until I walk you down to go pick up your lunch.
Me?
Miss Betty is not here today, so it will be me. You're all going to have to walk with me. I'm sorry. All right, let's do one that's a 2-digit just because I think we're messing up on the steps. So if there's too many digits, then it's going to throw us off. So let's do 76 divided by 3. Remember, do the same thing. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder. Remember, when you divide, it goes where? Up top. When you multiply, it goes down below. If you need to do that to help you keep yourself in order, do that. Now try to do this one on your own. Write your 3's fast. You already have them on the paper above, so it should not be any harder. When you're on the EOG, you will already have them written down because you have at the beginning started doing your multiplication chart. Because that's what we do when we get our EOG paper. When we get our chart paper, graph paper. I don't remember the name of the stuff.
Are we supposed to be doing this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, please. Yeah. Go ahead.
I don't got my book and I also got it out.
Who said that? Who? That's fine. You don't need your book right now. What you need is you're doing this math problem. You don't need your book right now. You're all right, bud.
All you need is your brain.
Guys, bring in a piece of paper.
And an eraser. And a pencil.
Look at her. And bring in a pencil. When I left one of them at home, you have to decide which one I left at home. What?
What are they talking about? I don't know. That's a good question. What are we talking about? Why'd you put tape on that phone?
Because it's a Valentine's Day box and I want to use it for something else. Red light. Hey! If you're not done, you're still working. If you are done, you're sitting quietly. So. No problem.
Oh yeah, I got some new profile pictures.
Alright, Alex, have you done this problem?
I have a better profile picture with the first group with the cat boy and the walnut. Mine's way better.
Alex! 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 Alright, let's go over this problem. Since I hear talking, that makes me think we're done.
Maybe. Probably. Yeah.
It's not a probably situation. It's either you're done or you're not. If you're
Yeah.
talking and you're not done, then you're not doing what you're supposed to.
Yes, we're done. No. Easier bag terrible. Did you get any sleep
Alright, let's look at this problem.
Who's the winner?
All right, let's look at this problem. Let's write our freeze facts down. Who's laughing at me? All right, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. All right, now we're going to say, my first step is to divide. What am I dividing?
3.
Not 3, I'm dividing 7 by 3. So, number closest to 7 without going over.
6.
All right, 6. So, how many times did I divide 7 divided by 3? 2 times. So, where am I going to put that? Well, it tells me I need to put it up top. So, I'm going to put my 2. Because if I put 7 dots up here, the amount of groups of 3 that I can make is 2. Now I need to what? I need to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Where do I put that 6? Well, when I multiply, I put it down. So I put my 6 down. Now I need to not bring down. I can't bring down till after I do the next step. Subtract. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now I need to do what? Bring down this 6. Now, am I going to repeat or remainder? Repeat. So now I'm going to go back to my D for divide. I'm going to say 16 divided by 3. Number closest is 16 without going over. Well, 18 is too far. So it has to be 15. So I'm going to say 16 divided by 3 is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that up top. What?
Huh?
Ma'am? Did you have a question? Okay.
I'm gonna come.
So now I'm going to say, Alex, we're not talking about that right now. 3 times 5 is 15. That means I need to do what next? Subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1. Is there anything else to bring down? No. So, is this repeat or remainder? Remainder. 25 with a remainder of 1. Wonderful. All right, let's do another one. As many as I want. 92 divided by 4. 92 divided by 4. Everybody needs to be working on this problem right now. Because in a minute, once we get done with this one, we're going to jump back to our 3 digits. Nope. Hey, Gabby, you need to be doing this problem, please.
Looks like Gabriella.
Alex! Last warning before I kick you off. problem? Gentlemen? You should not be talking. You should be working on this problem. Not working on our socialization skills. Dang, get it done, bud. Okay, go.
Wait a minute. The closest one to my answer I got was 40. And not the answer, but like when I was dividing at 1.4 divided by 52. And
Hey, Gabby, we can hear you, bud.
good from you now.
Hey, Gabby, are you talking to me?
Miss Piper.
What?
So I'm dividing right now 4 divided by 52, but on the practice chart I made, it only goes up to 40.
Right, so you've got to we're using our division steps.
So I'll just use
Do
40.
division. Do what we've been doing. Say 4 and a 9. Do it digit by digit.
Hi, I'm lost.
Alex.
Yes, I see that. I start there. I got Nickel from Brad Balls and told it in the She does look like it though. Okay.
Alright, let's look at this problem. If you are... Oh, dude. Good problem. Alright, let's look at this problem. Everybody should be facing the front. Thank you, Jamison. I know you are. He just feels like he needs to validate himself. Alright, here we go. Let's do our fourth fact. Ready, go.
4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. We don't need to go that far. 440.
Alright. Jody, turn around. So help me, Pete. Scoot up.
Scoot your tail.
Alright, now we go to my first digit. And we say 9 divided by 4 is what? Not 8, because I can't make 8 groups of 4.
I know.
How many groups of 4 can I make out of 9? 2 groups. So I put my 2 up top. And then now I multiply. 4 times 2 is what, Jameson?
That's 8.
8. Now that's where I put my 8. Now I need to
So
subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. Now I need to what? Bring it down. Break it on down. Now am I going to repeat or remainder? Repeat.
What was that?
It was a repeat.
You said
Repeat. You know, like a whoa, but like a repeat, you know? Alright, now I need to do what again? I need to do what again? Divide. Now I say 12 divided by 4 is?
That's 3.
3. So I put my 3 up top. Now I'm going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Then I'm going to what? Gonna subtract. 12 minus 12 is? 0. Is there anything else to bring down? No. Do we have a remainder on this one? Do we have a remainder? If I have 0 something, can I give you nothing? Yeah. So my answer is 23.
I put 23 with a remainder of 0.
I got this one right.
Woo!
Am I basically still right?
Whoa, you got it right.
I put 23 with a remainder of 0. Am I still right?
23 with a remainder of 0?
I didn't know you did that.
You don't need to put, yes, you're still technically right, but you do not need to put remainder 0.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now what are we going to do? We're going to stare at each other for the next 4 hours. All right, let's do one more. One more for the day. One more for the day. Come on and sit down. Let's do 99 divided by 2. Alright, do this problem, then you can. Jameson,
Sorry, you said look at each other.
I said we're doing this problem now.
I was going to get us to look at that.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. Simple. What?
So simple, then y'all should do it just fine. I look forward to seeing all of your correct answers then. Hey, focus. This is the last problem for the day. For the math. The last math problem for the day. Unless I change my mind.
No.
Well, then do this problem in a good manner. Stop being out of control. Alan! I'm fixing my time. Drives you nuts every time.
It's 10:35. It's 10:35.
I know, working on it. Thank you.
Oh yeah, how do you know another questions the
Think big.
shinier piece?
I have a big brain.
Big brain.
Hey, this is cookie big brain.
Hey, y'all need to get quiet and be working on this problem.
Big brain.
Be working on this problem, not talking, please.
Sally.
Are you really though?
Yes.
Okay, then don't do it again.
Okay. Okay. I gotta get it.
Bless you. I'm gonna go ahead and write my twos facts down because I'm in with the talk. You ain't gotta look at me like that, Destiny. I'm in with the talk. I have a tic tac, don't worry.
It's a TikTok. It's definitely on TikTok. It's a good job. Good job. Good job.
Alright, let's go over this problem.
Yay.
Huh?
this stuff
You
done.
know, if we were focused and not worried about a lot of other things that staring at us.
distracting us.
I'm sorry, that's my fault. Go ahead, you got 2 more minutes.
Thank you.
Yes, Vivi.
You cannot post another TikTok video.
I know, I lied. I might. You never know. Maybe at the end of the year I'll let you do one with me.
What's your TikTok account?
I can't tell you.
You don't even like it. I do. What's your TikTok account?
Come on, sit down. All right, thank you, Alex. We're done talking. Thank you. Just muted him. All right, here we go. All right, now let's say 9 divided by 2 is what? 9 divided by 2 is what? How many groups of 2 can I make with 9? 4 groups. So 4, so 2 times 4 is, put this up top, put this below. 2 times 4 is 8. Then I need to what? Subtract. 9 times minus 1, 8 is 1. Then I need to bring down. I need to repeat. Repeat after me. 19 divided by 2 is what? That was a question? Fine. It is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 19 is 1. Needs me a remainder of 1. 49 remainder 1.
Hey, you said repeat after me.
All right. We are done with that for the